It's that point, around video 87, when it all starts to feel like it makes sense. That's when you're like, oh, maybe this guy in his car at 3 a.m. really gets it. But here's the thing, you can't just jump to that feeling. You have to scroll through all 86 other videos to earn it. Becoming a dumbass takes effort. That's the internet's real power. It doesn't convince you, it erodes you. And erosion is terrifying, because you don't see it happening. It's slow, it's invisible. It feels like you. People say attention spans are shrinking. That's not what's being lost. What's fading is willpower. See, when you lose attention, you notice. You get restless, bored, tired. But when willpower breaks down, you don't even flinch. You just start nodding along to things that would have made you flinch 5 minutes ago. It's like driving late at night. You've been awake too long. The road gets quiet. And suddenly, you don't even realize you've taken the wrong exit. That's what scrolling does. Everyone thinks they have ADHD. But ADHD doesn't mean you can't focus. It means you don't notice when you are. You binge a worldview by accident. You inhale an ideology through your eyeballs. And next thing you know, you're giving relationship advice on Reddit like a divorced war general. People love to preach media literacy, but media literacy needs energy. Nobody's media literate. When they're eating takeout in bed with 7 tabs open, the worst part isn't just that the bad takes win. It's that eventually they stop sounding like bad takes. They just become the way things are.